Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Easy TT. The song is Living for Today. The artist is Toshi. The choreography is THERESA. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 2510674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go.
Hold me as we lay, living for today. On.
Toshi more universal international coast. Goes out to all my people in Japan, Brooklyn, all over the world. You know a couple things. Homie, I need you real. You booty, I need to slow down, settle down. Let's rock.
Gonna live for today, loving every which way. Yesterday will fade, living for today. On let her share and this way. Make time for kiss and play. Hold me as we lay, living for today. On we never know the places life is gonna take us to. We here now to stay. Come on to take the last love along. Let me warm me with my heat. I'm open up at your feet. No yesterday, repeat tomorrow. Here's what we gonna do. Gonna live for today, loving every which way. Yesterday will fade, living for today. Let that shit happen. Let that shit happen. Make time for kissing and play. Hold me as we lay, living for today. The future could bring roses, but tomorrow could bring us pain. We have this day, let's feel this way, and break this love will escalate. If we just hold on real tight and love with all our might, until we get to tomorrow. Here's what we gotta do. Gonna live for today, loving every which way. Just what we gotta do. Living for today, living for today. Let that shit happen. Make time for kissing. Every time we kiss, only as we lay. Living for today. Baby, put your feet aside. Cause there's no reason to hide. See, you got me, baby, body, soul, and mind. Heart and mind. Celebrate today. As we love our years away. Just with me, I got you. Know you want you. Put your hand in
Now,
mine.
ladies, settle in. You and I may never see the sunset again. Let's make the moment last. Let's let it go in the past. I'm sunburst through the overcast. Feel the beat, it's my open heart stretching out my open hand. So walk with me, love. You more raw, pretty love. We step on higher ground. Nothing can tie us down. I'm finding quiet town. Sweep you up, we flying now. XO, I'm on my way. One.
Gonna live for today, loving every which way. Yesterday, living for today. Let
Is that beautiful music or what? Very smooth. That is Easy TT. Make sure you check out the step-by-step instructional. Also leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.